how to connect Blum Wallet to Bybit. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Blum Wallet to the Bybit app. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Blum by using Telegram app on your mobile and make sure the Telegram app is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, tap on the wallet option at the bottom right corner. After that, tap on the connect wallet option in the middle of the screen. Then you'll see multiple wallet options. Select view all wallets and tap on Bybit wallet. After that, you will be redirected to the Bybit application. Wait for the app to fully load. Once it does, a connect wallet option will appear. Tap on it. Now enter the security key for your Bybit application. After that, your Bybit wallet will be connected with the Blum wallet. Just confirm the connection, enter your password, and wait for the notification that says the wallet has been successfully connected. Finally, go back to the Blum app and open it again. Wait for the app to load and head back to the wallet section. Over here, you will see the wallet address displayed in the middle. So that's how you can connect your Bybit wallet to the Blum application. That's all for this video.